All right, coach, semi-finals. First of all, tell us what you think about the game today.
It's a very tough one. I think we allow Excelsior to score on us very, very early. But as a very good defensive unit, I'm not happy. I'm not pleased with how we can't see 3 goals here today as the best defensive team in the competition. But definitely, I must have kudos to the youngsters. Really, really fought hard with the limited amount of players that we have. We have injured players. We keep them on the pitch till very, very close in the game actually finished before we could took them off because they don't have a deep bench. But definitely, I must say kudos to them. They really fought hard and give themselves this opportunity and reaching this far.
Yeah. Semi-finals likely. I understand you're going to play Jamaica College. How are you feeling about that?
Well, I must say I'm very, very happy. When I look back for the last 2-3 seasons, 2-3 years I know.
Nil-nil, 1-1,
1-1, 2-2, definitely going to be a humdinger. It's going to be a humdinger going forward. Both teams understand and know what it is in front of them. But I'm definitely know Jamaica College is a tough cookie when they reach this stage of competition. But they think the youngsters will recruit and knowing them they reach this far, they have nothing to lose now, nothing to lose. So they're going to give them all. And once they give them all, I think we have a very good chance.
Yeah. Along a good get a decent amount of break. What's going to happen during this time period? A lot of recovery, a lot of ice bathing.
Yeah, definitely. We have to give them about 3-4 players. Have to give them that break. But they, as youngs, as you know, they always want to play, and in the Champions Cup is the first time for them. First time for me also as a coach, although achieving so much at Bridgeport, 2 Manning Cup, 5 semi-final and 4 Manning Cup finals. So that, I must say being here now is the first time for me. I'm very, very happy. I must say thanks to the youngsters for giving me this opportunity. To come this far and be into the Champions Cup and give themselves the opportunity also into the Manning Cup semi-final. But the second time at school is 19 years now since since we have been here, and I must say I'm very, very happy for the youngsters.
All right, coach. This is a question off the bat. You have been in this for so long, doing the same thing year after year. How is it that every time you achieve some level of success, it still feels like something new? It still feels like new love to the sport?
Well, it's all about youngsters. This is my job. I always like to coach youngsters. I always like to give them the opportunity to be player who want to be a top class footballer. I want to make it out of football. I give them that opportunity and then guide them, in the right pathway. But I'm definitely youngsters will always be my first choice. Every time, after the game, I always does it. I always give up Premier League just for the youngsters. So if it push come to shove, I always do that. I always put the Premier League aside and continue with the schoolboy team.
All right, coach. Congratulations again.
Yeah, man.
All right, bless up.